In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vendors and items in Zoho Books, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a growing business or just starting out with this software, these steps will help you streamline your accounting process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Zoho. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, navigate through the list of apps and select Zoho Books. This application is designed to help you manage your finances with ease and efficiency. Once you're in Zoho Books, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various tabs, but for now, we'll focus on the Purchases tab. Click on it and select Vendors. This section is crucial as it is where you can add and manage all your business vendors. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the plus New button. This action will open a form where you'll need to enter the necessary information about the vendor. Start by filling out all required fields such as the company's name and the contact details of your vendor. You must also provide a display name. This name is necessary because it's what will appear on your purchase documents, helping you keep everything organized. Moving on, make sure to add additional details like billing and shipping addresses. You'll see different tabs for these, so don't miss those sections. Once you've completed this form with all the requested data, click Save to create your new vendor. This will store the vendor's information in your Zoho Books system, making it easier to manage your relationships and transactions with them. With your vendor added, it's time to create items. Head back to the left sidebar again, but this time click on the Items module. The process here is similar to adding a vendor. Click plus New in the top right corner to begin. This will bring up another form where you'll need to input the item details. You'll start with essential information like the name of the item and type, which could be an item or a service, depending on what you're offering. Next, specify the sales and purchase rates for the item. This information is crucial for tracking how much you're spending and earning per item. Don't forget to enter the opening stock quantity along with the opening stock rate per unit. This is especially important if you're dealing with physical inventory, as it helps keep your stock levels up to date. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click Save to create your new item. All this information will now be integrated into your Zoho Books account, allowing for seamless financial transactions and inventory management. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create both vendors and items in Zoho Books. This will help you manage your business's accounting needs efficiently, saving you time and effort in the long run. Enjoy the simplicity and ease that Zoho Books brings to your business operations.